Hi guys, hope everyone is doing well. So this is just a very quick video just to tell you about the new change to the immigration for international students. So the immigration policy, so to speak. So generally, what has happened is that the UK government have now increased the maintenance fee or the maintenance evidence that you will normally put in your application. You know that personal states. Did I say personal statement? Excuse me. You know that statement, bank statement that you put to show evidence that you can fund your studies. It will be whatever is left from your cash letter. If you have paid your deposit, for example, it will be your school fees minus that deposit and then your maintenance. So generally you're expected to put 9 months worth of maintenance in the bank account for at least 28 days, so roughly about a month. But now and previously that amount used to be roughly around 1,300 something for London universities in London, and about £1,023, if I remember clearly, for universities outside London. Now that amount have now changed significantly like I was saying, that amount have now changed significantly for everyone. Right now the amount for internet for maintenance evidence for people outside London, so some people that are coming to study outside London, is now 1,100 and something pounds. Can't remember the rest of it. So there's roughly around 100 or so pounds added every month. And also for schools, for people going to schools within London, this is now 1,430 something pounds, I believe, as well. So the change has now been announced, and this will take effect for applicants that will be coming in from January 2025. So everyone that is coming in for 2024, it will still remain the old price or the old amount. So the new amount will come in January 2025. Now, I just saw somewhere that this is amounting to, if you look at Nigerian context, which I think some of my audiences are from, it is now roughly around over 3 million naira per month for you to evidence, obviously given the ridiculous exchange rate that we have, for you to evidence that you are coming to study in UK and you can support yourself. And that may give or take be knocking on maybe almost 30 million naira for the period of 9 months. That's a lot of money, and given how difficult everything is now, it is a lot. But I think this is actually as a reflection of the UK cost of living, which is also on the high side, has increased for the past few months or even years, so to speak. So I think it's a reflection of that. It obviously means that it will make things a lot challenging for people. It's already difficult as it is, and most of the benefits of coming to study in the UK, or some of them, let me not say most, some of the benefits of coming to study have been pulled away, not bringing family, ease of transiting or moving from one visa to the other. All of that is now changed, and now on top of that you now have this fee increase that's also, or evidence of maintenance that's also now been added. So I just wanted to tell you that if you're thinking of coming in January, keep that in mind. You can use the official conversion rate, which is on Oanda. Just pop your figure in Oanda, whatever your tuition fee and then the maintenance fee, combine that, and that should give you the exact amount you put in. Obviously, because of how volatile the naira currency is, speaking to those coming from Nigeria, I would really advise that you excuse me, I would really advise that you put a bit more. I say this like this, it's that easy to put more, but I'm just saying, realistically, I would advise you put a bit more, if not a lot more, and continue to monitor that money, that it never drops below the exact amount. It should be in pounds throughout the time before you print out your bank statement. So all the best, everybody. Anyone that is coming to UK to study now, you guys are I drop my heart. Like it's not easy. So well done to everyone trying to chase their dreams, and hopefully it all comes to fruition. All right, bye bye. See ya.